Huawei P20 Pro helps Chinese firm overtake Apple as second largest smartphone manufacturer. The Huawei P20 Pro has helped the huge Chinese firm overtake Apple as the second largest smartphone manufacturer in the world. The triple camera packing P20 Pro from the company was credited for helping achieve the lofty feat. Gerrit Schneemann, an IHS Markit analyst, said, Huawei is shifting to more value-added models, by launching new flagship smartphones with the latest features. Huawei's P20 Pro is the first flagship smartphone model to be equipped with triple cameras, beating competitors to market. China's smartphone market easing was also mentioned for helping Huawei achieve meteoric success. Although Huawei now sits at second in the smartphone leaderboard, Samsung still stands at the top. But the Chinese tech behemoth took home over 15% of the global smartphone market from April to June. This surpassed an estimated 12% from Apple but failed to beat the 20% of Samsung. Canalys, a data monitoring firm, stated Huawei managed to greatly expand its domestic smartphone sales by 6% on year. This takes the firm to 27% overall in the Asian superstate. China has an incredibly valuable smartphone market with shipments estimated at 100 million in the second quarter of this year. Canalys added the first quarter of 2018 saw 91 million devices shipped. Huawei has managed to achieve numeric success while being virtually cut off from the vast US market. No major carriers in America sell smartphones from the Chinese manufacturer after accusations of spying were leveled against Huawei. The company has denied any wrongdoing with regard to its hardware. But Huawei devices are available in the UK and we loved the company's latest flagship, the P20 Pro, when we reviewed it back in April. We said, Huawei has been making smartphones for years but nothing has grabbed our attention quite like the P20 Pro. This flagship easily keeps pace with the competition and in many ways it actually outclasses its rivals. The P20 Pro is up there with the best of them and we wouldn't be surprised if Huawei's trophy cabinet isn't full with awards by the end of 2018.